Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool, Algebraic Reasoning. We are focusing on order of operations with a problem related to TEKS 5.4f, and we'll solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we've got a word problem here, and we need to find an expression that matches it. And all the expressions look very, very similar. They've got all the numbers in the right order, and they have all the operations in the right order. The difference is going to be the parentheses and the brackets. So let's make sure that we understand what we're dealing with here. When we see all this, we should be thinking PEMDAS. Our order of operations, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. That's how I remember the order. We're always going to deal with our parentheses first. Right? So we've got the parentheses, but then we've got brackets, and you see those brackets in options C and D. The brackets come first, the parentheses come second. Next, if we see them, we'll deal with exponents, but that's more of a sixth grade and above thing. Third, you notice we've got multiply and divide together. They are inverse operations. They are equal to each other, just opposite. So you can actually divide before you multiply if you see it first left to right. Same with addition, subtraction. You can actually subtract before you add if you see it left to right because it is the inverse, right? It's the equal, just the opposite of addition. So what we could do is we can try to turn all of this into um, an expression, or we can just solve it, and then we can see which one of these simplifies to that. There's a few different ways we can do that. So let's just see what our things are happening here. She has a cooler for the coach, has a cooler of 24 granola bars. She has 3 boxes with 60 granola bars in each box. Okay, so you notice how these are both granolas? Everything is happening with this granolas, right? So what we could do is we could say, all right, so I've got 24 granola bars. Then I've got 3 boxes with 60 granola bars. Okay, so 3 boxes with 60 granola bars. So if I'm wanting to add these granola bars together, I can say 24 plus 3 times 60. And I'll show it like this because it looks like that's what they're doing down in the answer choices, right? You just have that 3 and then parentheses 60 always means multiplication. So these are just my granola bars. So I'm just going to label that as my granola bars. All right. There are 4 stale granola bars in each box. Oh, okay. So we don't want those. And the boxes they're the 3 boxes of 60. All right, so what I need to do is I need to get rid of this right here. You know what? Let's just do this. We're not eating the full 60. What we're doing is we're eating the 3 boxes of 60, but each one has 4 stale. So I want to get rid of those 4 stale. So really it's going to end up being 56. Right, 3 boxes of 56 good ones. And then you take all of the good ones and you split it between 2 practice groups. So I need to take all of this, the 24 good ones, plus the 3 boxes of 56 good ones. So since I already am using the parentheses, I need to put brackets out there. I need to do this, and we need to divide by 2. So that is looking like D. So let's double check D, right? So let's see, 24 plus 3, because they say it's supposed to equal 96, right? So within the brackets, we have to deal with order of operations. Within the parentheses, right, we're going to deal with that first. That's going to be 56. 3 times 56. So that divided by 2 comes at the very end. So it's 3 times 56. That's going to be 168. 24 plus 168 divided by 2. So that's going to be 192 divided by 2, because 24 plus 68 is 192. And then there we go. That is going to get me my 96. So I chose the first option of trying to write the problem into an order of operations expression. The other option would be to just take this answer and just simplify all 4 of these and find the one that works, B.